Hello, my Geminis. Welcome to Tarot Talks. I hope you're doing good in this quarantine or lockdown period. You're staying at home, following the rules, and taking care of yourself and your loved ones. So, Gemini, now today I'll be doing the reading for you for the month of May. Just one small note that from this month onwards, I have changed the pattern of the readings. I'll be doing 3 card spread for you, followed by 2 oracle cards. The 3 card spread is like past, present, and future energies for you, followed by your overall energies. Also, Gemini's. Please note that this is a general reading. It's a collective reading, so everything will not resonate with everyone. So just take what resonates and leave the rest. You might also check or want to check your other placements, like your other signs. Like if Gemini is your sun sign, then you would want to check your moon sign as well. So you can just feel free to go and check your other placements as well. So without wasting much time, let's directly jump into your reading. I have already shuffled the cards and laid down your cards. So Gemini, you have like really interesting cards. Like this is something a very different kind of spread that I have got this time. In your past, I can see that there were 2 major arcanas in your past. One is the Empress and one is the Magician. So this Empress, basically it's a very, I just simply love these cards, and this combination is also amazing. It talks about someone who can take care of himself or herself, who is like completely satisfied with their own what do we say, energy or life, or who is very happy with their own self, completely at enjoying the bliss of life. This also means that someone might have a baby. It's a very fertile, very feminine kind of a card, feminine energy. So I really feel that someone, if any of you has been trying for a baby, trying really hard, or like wanting, or want a baby in their life, I think this you have already done the manifestation work, and in all probability, like the things are going to be they'll turn out really well, and you will get the much awaited good news in your family. Overall, it's a very lovely combination. This basically tells that you are in your full swing, you are in your full a peak of everything, top of all the things, and you are in your best phase. You can manifest whatever you want. Like, so whenever this card comes out, like I always tell everyone that be very aware of your thoughts, the power of your thoughts. The way you can manifest good things, you can also manifest bad things, the negative things. So one need to be really very careful. But since this combination has come with an Empress, I really feel that some really good and positive things are coming your way, guys. You have already done a lot of manifestation work. You have sown the seed subconsciously or consciously through your actions. You have done your part. Like you really are wishing for something, and you'll soon get the results or the benefits of whatever it is that you are wishing for. In your present, now your present energy is just amazing. Like you have completely pulled a sequence, like 7, 8, 9 and 10 of Pentacles. I mean, I have never ever got such kind of a combination in my readings so far. So this is one very unique and very intriguing energy, guys. You were like working very with lot of focus over something. You were like really working passionately over something, and you had, like I said, someone has already sown their seeds. Like they have done the work. You have actually put in your efforts, and you are like waiting for your results. So guys, the good news is that whatever it is that you are waiting for, it is going to harness positive results. And in all probability, I still feel this is related to some addition in your family, because this talks about a whole see, if you see, there's a child here, you know, there's one small child here, you can see, and it's a completely happy family, it's like a complete family picture. So whoever it is, this resonates with, I am sure this is going to bring in lot of good news to you in whatever way it is, like whatever you are trying to manifest or work upon, it is going to harness good results. So like this empress, there is this energy who here in the present, who is, you know, taking care of herself, you know, is who is just being in her own bliss. Now the energies can be anything, it can be a male, female, anything, guys, but whoever you have done, whoever it is that has put in hard work, now you're going to reap the fruits of that hard work, and it's going to be awesome. Like there's a lot of earth in your chart, probably you're dealing with some fellow earth sign, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, but it can be any sign, but mostly you're donning the earth energy, and whatever it is that you have worked so passionately towards, guys, that definitely is going to bear very positive and wholesome and fruitful outcome and bearing. Like it's just amazing. So for some of you it can be a very good period monetarily also, if you have worked hard towards some project, or if it is your business venture that you have worked really hard towards, then you are going to gain lot of monetary benefits from it. It's going to be really good for you in terms of financial this thing. So if any one of you is expecting a promotion this time, or any sort of if you're waiting for some money to come through from someone or from any source, then definitely you are going to get that money, like from unexpectedly or expectedly, whatever it is, you are going to be in a very good financial situation, Geminis. Now your future energy is also very very interesting. It looks like someone in your chart is kind of what do you say, is a little sneaky, is kind of a little toxic energy, and that energy is leaving you quite stressed, and it is giving you a lot of stress. In all probability I feel this could be, I don't know, I mean I am getting mixed kind of feelings, but it can be something related to your workplace. Like I think someone in your workplace is being a little toxic, and giving you really hard time, and you're really having a tough time dealing with that person, and it's really leaving you feeling very frustrated, because there are two nines here, so it is making you feel really tired and frustrated. You are really like what do we say, completely frustrated with that person, and it's really making you very sad and upset. It's kind of like very disheartening kind of an experience that you are having with this person, but then you are going to decide to move on from whatever that situation is, whatever toxic situation it is. Probably in all probability that person will come and apologize to you, will want to mend things with you, will come and say sorry to you, look, I made a mistake, let's keep the things in the past and all. But I feel that you're in that state, like you're done, like I'm just done with this, I don't want this, because in your overall energy I had this 10 of swords, which says completion of something, like you are like just done with something. This also indicates that whoever, like someone has for sure broken your trust to the point of no returning. You don't seem like giving that person another chance, no matter how painful it is, no matter how hurt you are right now. You do not feel, you're not in the state of mending things now. You just want to get done with it and move ahead with your life. So yeah, some of like this group of people, now this can be personally or professionally, guys, whatever it is, you'll be in a healing stage, like though the period is painful, you are going to heal quite well. This is a very positive card, you will see the brighter side of the things. You will move towards the brighter side of the aspect. You will like for some period of time you will be quite indecisive, like you might not know what to do, what action to do, take which path to choose. But like I said, you guys are doing your work. You are doing your work. You will be, you will come to some decision and you will work towards it. Like you will decide that you are going to get out of this toxic situation, and you are like going to plan your things out. You're going to plan your future. You'll decide on what to do next, and you will be victorious. Like you'll come in your form again. Like the painful period, whatever it was, you're just going to leave it back and you will come into your full form. Like there's a lot of fire energy involved in your immediate future, fire and air. So what you are going to come out victorious from the situation. So I feel that this is a lot of fire energy. Like if you're dealing with any fire signs, yeah. So for some of you, I think someone will get new love offer from someone. Someone is wanting to, someone is like secretly admiring you and wanting to offer you their love. Yeah, because there is this page of swords. So someone, for a group of people, someone might be actually stalking you, and is like really admiring you, and they will just drop you a message, a mail, a text, something. Like they will just come and communicate with you. Like yeah, I can see a lot of communication, lot of movement, like and this will be like an unexpected communication. Like you might not be expecting this coming. You really are not aware who this person is right now, but out of the blue, you'll get this communication, you'll get this love offer. That person is wanting to offer you new beginnings, and in all probability, I think you are going to accept this offer, because there's a lot of positive energy, there's a lot of victorious energy. The star card is here, and like it's showing all the brighter sides. Like whatever painful things that you have gone in the recent past, doesn't matter. The future is quite bright, people. You are headed towards new beginnings. This whatever it is that you're ending, okay, whatever it is that you're closing, one chapter is closing, but another new one is definitely opening for some of you. So if it is in personal life, yes, you will be entering a new relationship. If it is related to your professional life, so you will get some new offer, new job offer, which will be good monetarily. It will give you everything that you had dreamed of in terms of work, and it will be like a dream offer. It will be like a dream job or dream project that you always aspire to have. And also for some of you, I think it is for this group of people, who will be entering into new relationship. I think you might be at a distance from somewhere, but that person is really keen on coming and seeing you, and offer this cup to you, offer their love to you, and want to take things ahead with you. So right now they might be at a distance. For some of you, it will be you might travel somewhere. I think it can be overseas travel too. Like if you are planning, if you had any plans to travel for work, yeah, that travel definitely seems in the cards. You will travel either for personal or professional reasons, but most likely it will be for professional reasons. I know many of you might be thinking, like, right now the things look so dicey and stuck and everything is shut down, but that doesn't matter. Life goes on. This lockdown is temporary, and definitely it is going to be raised up, and things are going to be brighter again. So yeah, so you are headed for new beginnings and new positive and very fruitful beginnings, Geminis. This is like a really lovely reading. I mean, it has all kind of emotions, like heartbreaks, pain, efforts, and at the end of it you are headed towards a very positive cycle of your life. And I'm really really happy to do this reading. So let's quickly see what messages you have from this deck, from the divine. Dear spirit guides, what are the messages for my Gemini? Please let me know what messages do I need to give to my Gemini at this moment of time.